Do you have big, beautiful picture books just begging to be displayed, like I do? Then you'll love the bookrest. That's why I designed it, so you can bring big picture books off the shelves and back to life. These big picture books are gorgeous. The printing on them is spectacular. And you can find them for outer space and national parks, and you can just turn a page and go someplace, study something that you've always wanted to learn about. There's also a hidden benefit to the bookrest, because behind the book is a compartment that allows you to have an emergency kit or personal safety. Nicely hidden, but always at the ready. So might I suggest you take a look at a bookrest? It's a nice way to add to your decor and more. And remember, enjoy life inside.